Welcome everybody to a new video. Today we have this 1993 Hunter Mayfair. In pretty good shape. I got for Habitat for about $10. Put this light kit on it because it had that weird Harbor Breeze light and I didn't really like it. So yeah. Here's the light. It's a bit dirty, but I need to clean it, but oh well. Has two CFLs in it right now that came with this light kit. The light kit's originally for my custom home, which is right there, but yeah, that's that. Okay, so here is low, if I can reach it. There we go. The blades are reversible to the typical bleach stroke. So, yeah. This of course, uses the typical Hunter 172. I'm not sure if it's the thicker variant or not, but yeah, probably same motor in every single one of them because 90s Hunter. Okay, this fan did not come with a down run, unfortunately, but yeah. Here's medium. Oops, there we go. Alright, now to high. Wait. There we go. Actually picks up a good bit of speed. Takes a little bit. I think the capacitor is a tiny bit drifted, but it's still doing fine. So, yeah. And now spin down. The bearings are a little bit rough on this fan, but they're quiet still, so nothing really to worry about for now. And you can't tell this is a Mayfair, of course, because of the sideband ribs. The passport has filtering. I'm pretty sure it's the Summer Breeze that's just smooth for this event style, but otherwise, pretty much the same fan. This does have the earlier switch housing, which is interesting, as you can tell. And almost done. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Maybe I'll have this installed somewhere since it's in pretty good shape. We'll see. Anyways, thank you for watching.